Hello friends, today we're going to be exploring the bedroom. Bedroom is a room where we sleep. What are the things we get in bedroom? Let's see. Bed. We sleep on the mattress of the bed. Pillow. We rest our head on the soft pillow. Blanket. When we feel cold, we cover ourselves with blanket. Cupboard. We store our clothes and valuable things inside the cupboard. Curtain. We put curtain so that the sunlight can't peep inside our room. Dressing table. We keep our comb, perfumes, moisturizer on the dressing table. Thank you for watching.